Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add Google reCAPTCHA to your WordPress website on Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites. And next to the WordPress website that you want to add reCAPTCHA on, click on WP Admin. This way, you will automatically log in to your WordPress dashboard. Now go to Plugins and click on Add Plugin. Search for reCAPTCHA. Now let's go with this advanced Google reCAPTCHA plugin from Web Factory. Click on Install now. Click on Activate. Now let's visit the reCAPTCHA settings. So go to Settings and click on Advanced Google reCAPTCHA. Let's close this upsell window. Now what you need to do is to select your CAPTCHA type from this list. I recommend you to go with the Google reCAPTCHA v2. And here you need to fill in your CAPTCHA site key and secret key. So visit this page or just go to, I will go to googlefirst.com and search for Google reCAPTCHA. Visit this cloud.google.com website, click on Get Started, and you will land on this page. Here, label your CAPTCHA, for example, using your website name. I will copy it from here. Let's copy it from here, fill in. Here, select your reCAPTCHA type, go with challenge v2, and select I'm not a robot checkbox. Here, fill in your domain, then name your project name and click on Submit. So this is, click on Copy Site Key, go back to WordPress, paste it like that, then copy the secret key and paste it here. And before saving those changes, you need to verify CAPTCHA first. It is working. Click on Submit CAPTCHA. CAPTCHA has been verified successfully. Click on OK. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom.builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. CAPTCHA has been verified successfully. Click on OK, then Save Changes. And just like that, you've added the CAPTCHA to your WordPress site. Now let's set where to show this CAPTCHA. You can customize where to show your CAPTCHA from this page. For example, the login form, registration form, the lost password form, comment, WooCommerce, registration and checkout, and so on. Click on Save Changes, then jump to the login protection page. Make sure to enable this login protection. You can also customize other settings from this page and click on Save Changes. Now let's log out of my WordPress dashboard. And just like that, now when I try to when someone tries to log into my WordPress dashboard website, it says a reCAPTCHA step that he needs to verify first. And this is how to add reCAPTCHA to your WordPress website on Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.